driven by visual impact. First impressions are everything. Precision tracking. Documenting progress from the ground up. When millions are on the line, look closer. Every detail matters because quality is built from the ground up. From rooftops to rolling inventory, every asset deserves precision. Kingdome Studios Drone Media, for those who require excellence.